Two males are seen on video eating at a fast food restaurant. The males first acted like customers and placed two different orders of food. The males sat around until the lobby was empty, at which time, one of the males pulled out a handgun and walked behind the counter. The suspect then pointed his gun at the employees and she immediately took his hand away. The thief continued demanding the money from the cash register. Once the suspects had the money, they both fled the location in an unknown direction.